provide valuable wisdom and encouragement. She is a graduate of Master in Education of Mindanao State University, General Santos City, and currently taking doctors in education in Mindanao State University, General Santos City. And 8 years of service, our academic director,
to our teachers, trainers, guests, and graduating students, ladies and gentlemen, isang mainit na pagbati sa inyong lahat. Today is a day of celebration and achievement. Kayo ay nagsikap ng gusto, nagpakita ng katatagan, at naglaan ng maraming oras upang marating ang yugtong ito. Noon, but I want you to remember that this is not the end but the beginning of a new chapter. Ang mga kasanayan at kaalaman na inyong natamo, ang inyong natamo dito ay ang inyong mga sandata para sa isang mas maliwanag na hinahanap. Whether you are starting a new career, enhancing your current one, or pursuing further opportunities, you must recognize that you have the foundation to succeed. As you move forward, tandaan ninyo na ang inyong tagumpay ay hindi lamang para sa sarili, kundi para rin sa inyong mga pamilya, kaibigan at komunidad. You are now equipped with the skills and knowledge to make a difference in your chosen field. Ang bawat takbang na inyong igagawin ay magbibigay ng inspirasyon sa iba at maaaring makakapagsimula ng positibong pagbabago. Take pride in your accomplishments and continue to strive for excellence. Patuloy kayong magsikap at huwag matakot harapin ang mga bagong hamon. Embrace the opportunities that come your way and remain committed to learning and growth. Ang inyong pagsisikap at dedikasyon ang nagdala sa inyo dito at ito rin ang mag-aakay sa inyo tungo sa rurok ng tagumpay. Always remember the values and lessons you have learned during your training here at Tunisia Foundation College and also sa TESDA. Ang integridad, sipag at tiyaga ay mga gabay na magpapatibay sa inyo sa lahat ng aspeto ng inyong buhay. As you apply your skills and knowledge, be mindful of the impact you can make on others. Use your talents to uplift and support your communities and strive to be agents of positive changes. Congratulations, graduates! Ang kinabukasan ay nasa inyong mga kamay. The future is yours to shape. May you find success and fulfillment in all your endeavors. Patuloy kayong magtagumpay at magbigay ng inspirasyon sa iba. Maraming salamat at mabuhay kayong lahat.
Thank you so much, Ma'am May May. And now it is time to express